Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. This is my computer setup at the moment at home. I have a 4K monitor, 27-inch. I have a keyboard, of course, mouse, printer. My computer is there, and as you can maybe see, it's open because this Dell box, it's too small. If I'm editing videos, it will get so crazy hot that this fan is blowing all the time. Videos I'm editing with Davinci Resolve. With this program I got this for free, speed editor, so that's also on the table. If I'm not editing videos, I would just move it away, and this keyboard is coming here. So that's my basic setup. I would like to upgrade it a little bit. Actually, over half a year ago I bought a second monitor. It's the same brand. This monitor is a little bit cheaper model. It's without speakers. Size is about the same. This is going to be my main monitor when I'm editing videos, post-processing photos or doing something like that. How do I want to have those monitors? Of course, the easiest option would be that two monitors here side by side. That would be too easy option. This monitor would be here and other here, but this I really don't like it. I think it's going to be too high here for me. Also, this side by side option I don't like, because if this other monitor is different than the other one, I don't want those side by side. Then I came to this kind of solution which I'm going to try. I'm going to make a hole to this table, and this other monitor, it's going to be inside this hole. Not flat, but a little bit in angle, and when I'm sitting here, that I can see it, the whole monitor. I'm going to build a stand for these monitors. Is it going to work? I have no idea, but I will try, and you guys, you will see me trying. Okay, without further ado, let's start. I will get some materials. I will use plywood to build this thing. I think it's a good material for this. It's a strong material. It's not very expensive, and it's quite easy to work with. Just buy this basic black. I got here a hole. I was just using basic jigsaw, and idea is that cheaper monitor, it's going to be something like this. I have to find out the angle. Maybe I will even make some kind of a tool that I can adjust this angle of this monitor a little bit. I think when I'm getting it right once, then I really don't have to move it. At this point I'm going to install this support. At this point it's still easy to do. This Ikea board is actually quite interesting. It's made of cardboard. This middle part is kind of a real wood because of this support. But that's what's inside the Ikea table board. So it's good, it's straight, it won't bend. This will bend a little bit, but it doesn't matter. All the weight basically is coming here because this monitor is coming here, and also the second monitor is partly, this part is supporting it. So, okay, next I will find out how can I install this main monitor. I have to make some kind of stand. I can't use this, that's too big. There is a screw. This I can remove. I will make some kind of stand here like so about, and good thing is that I can still use this original angle adjustment. Next I'm going to build a stand for this main monitor. I'm using part of this original stand. I will just cut some plywood pieces, glue them together, screw them to this and maybe even straight to the table. This part is quite strong because there is this support under, so this thing is very strong. I will screw it from the other side to this board. Okay, so this first monitor, it's pretty much solved, this one. The second one, it's coming here. It is about there. Next I have to think about this lower part which will hold this other monitor. I think I will make it simple. I will just put it here. 12, 10 and a half. I tested main monitor. It was a little bit too low. I made a lift kit. This should lift it enough. That should work. Next I will sand everything and then paint. I'm going to paint it black. Then I have to find out some solution for the cables, some cable management system. I like it so far. I think that's a very good height for this. This I can see all till the up. Here I will miss 1.5 centimeters about, but that's not going to be a problem. Anyway, if I'm moving a little bit, it's not a problem. I really love this, how you can see the wood under the paint. I bought a new case for my Dell computer. This Dell was a joke. It's so small, this case, and there's basically no air in this case. It's so full of stuff. When I bought this computer, I bought a bigger power supply, some memory, 2 more hard drives, SSDs. It was so full of stuff. I had to keep this cover open because it was heating up so much. Stuff is there now, everything. It's so empty. I'm still waiting for a few parts because it's not so straightforward to swap the case from Dell original computer. Few problems. The new case, it has a USB-C port and the connector is different than Dell's, so I had to order adapter for that. This power button, every time I will start the computer, it will say that there's something wrong with the power button cable. I tried different tricks, but none of those were helping. Good thing is that it will say it only when I start the computer. If I will press enter, then computer works fine. What else? I think that's pretty much it. These problems. Yeah, but table looks fine. I really like it. I try to hide as many cables as possible. I think I did a pretty good job with that. Let's look that a little bit closer. Some cable management system here under. I use this original Ikea. I had to modify it a little bit because of the support stand. There's a power cable and a display port cable. That's the new monitor. These cables are from the keyboard and mouse. This mouse is wireless, but I like to use it with the cable more. I used this kind of plastic. I couldn't get it in black or even in white. That's a nice brown color. There is all the sockets for the cables. Here I got some holes, so everything is going inside, coming from here to the computer, back of the computer. So that's basically it for the cables. So here you can't really see much of the cables. And when I'm sitting, even if this is a little bit low, it doesn't hit to my knees. Very happy about this that I can use 2 monitors here. I like it. I really like it.